Hi guys, so how to fix Snapchat messages problem? First thing you have to do is open the settings, go to the apps manager, go to Snapchat, click on this force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back to the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and then disable it. After that, all what you want to do now is restart your phone. As you can see, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.